Hello children, welcome back to my session 7th class English Unit 2 C.V. Raman, the pride of India. We have completed our 2 sessions. In first session we have completed face sheet, and in second session we have completed A reading. So today let us discuss vocabulary, page number 27. Children, please open all of you your textbooks, page number 27. Okay. The following sentences are from your lesson. Read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. The first question is, his parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. So what are these underlined words here? Yes, in the first sentence, keen. Yes, what is the first question? Second question, the world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. What is the underlined word? Hailed. Third question, in his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Mainly, keen, hailed, made, passed away. These are the underlined words in these 5 sentences. So let us discuss this first question. His parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. So here 3 options has given. You have to know the meaning of this word. Yes, keen means particular, eager, worried. What is the answer for that? Keen means eager. Yes, his parents were eager to send him abroad for higher studies. So what is the correct option here? B. Tick on B. Like this. Second question, the world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. Options are, what are the options? Admired, called, thought. What is the meaning of hailed? You have to know the meaning of this word first, then you can pick the correct answers. Okay children? So what is the correct answer here? What is the correct option? Option A. Yes, admired. Next, third question. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. What are the options? Mainly. This is the underlined word, mainly. Yes, this is the underlined word, mainly. What is the meaning of mainly? You have to choose the correct option from among these 3 options. So, mainly means primarily, simply, certainly. What is the meaning of this? Mainly means primarily. It is the correct option. A is the correct option. Let us discuss 4th question. The British made. Here is the underlined word, made. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. Yes, the British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. Appointed, managed, placed. What is the correct option? Yes, appointed. Tick on option A. 5th question. Raman passed away on November 21st, 1970. Here, what is the underlined word? Passed away. So, passed away means, what is the meaning of this word? Among these 3 options, which is the correct option? Was killed, died, left. What is the correct option? Passed away means? Yes, passed away means died. Yes, Raman passed away on November 21st, 1970. So these are the options in this B is the correct option. Now read the following sentences. Here in the second bit you have, read this carefully. Read the following sentences. Raman was equally delighted. Delighted means was very happy. What is underlined word here? Delighted. The underlined word delighted is a verb and has been used to express a feeling of joy or happiness. Yes, this underlined word, what is the underlined word here? Delighted. Delighted means feeling of joy, he expressed happiness. It is delighted. It is noun. This underlined word is noun. Its noun form is delight. What is the noun form for delighted? Delighted is verb. Delight, noun. Delighted, verb. Delight, noun. Now look at the following verbs and write their corresponding noun forms here. Yes, few verb forms are there here in the list. 5 verb forms are there. Here you have to write their noun or the feeling expressed. Here delighted. Delighted is verb. Delighted is verb. What is the noun form for delighted? It is delight. Yes, it is delight. What is the noun form for delight? Noun form for delighted, delight. So here few verbs and few verbs are there. Here we have to write their corresponding noun forms. So what are the verbs? Enjoyed. Enjoyed is verb form. You have to write noun form or the feeling expressed. So what is the noun for this? Enjoyment. Yes, enjoyed is a verb form. Enjoyment is a noun form. Next, surprised. Surprised is verb. Surprised is verb. What will be its corresponding noun form? Surprisement. Yes, what is the corresponding noun form for this? Surprisement. Disappointed. What is the third verb? Here, disappointed. What will be the corresponding noun form for this? Disappointed. What will be the noun form? Disappointment. Disappointment. Worried. What is the fourth verb here? Worried. And what will be the noun form for worried? Worried. What will be the noun form for worried? Worry. Next, fifth one, satisfied. What is the verb form here? Satisfied. Satisfied, satisfaction. Here, what will be the noun form or the feeling expressed for the satisfied? Satisfaction. As children, you have to write few more verbs. Yes, and their corresponding noun forms also. Like interest. Yes, here noun form is interest. What will be the verb form? Interested. Yes. Write few more from your side. Yes. These are the verb form. We have to write its corresponding noun forms. Yes, children, can you complete this? Enjoyed, enjoyment. Surprised, surprisement. Yes, surprisement. Disappointed, disappointment. Worried, worry. Satisfied, satisfaction. Yes, let us discuss this next topic. Now fill in the blanks with the suitable noun forms of the underlined words in each sentence. Yes, here few sentences are there, 4 sentences are there. You have to fill the blanks with the suitable noun forms. Here verb forms given and you have to write its corresponding noun form. Okay children, What is the first question? He was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his dash in no time. Shocked. What will be the noun form for this? It is shocked. It is verb. This word is in verb form. You have to write its corresponding noun form. Shocked is verb. What will be the noun form in this blank? You have to write. What will be? Shock. Here, he was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his dash in no time. Yes? What should you have to write in this blank? He recovered from his shock in no time. Yes, children? Next, he pretended to look relieved, but in fact, he did not have any dash. Relieved is in verb form. You have to write its corresponding noun form in this blank. What should you have to write in this blank? Noun form. What will be the noun form? Relieved. Relieved is in verb form. Here you have to write its noun form. What will be the noun form here? He did not have any relaxation. Yes, children? He did not have any relaxation. It is the relieved is a verb and its corresponding noun form is relaxation. Yes? Shocked, shock. Relieved, relaxation. Yes? Now, let us discuss this third question. I can understand your dash, but do not be so excited that you have health problems. Yes, children, what is the underlined word? Excited. Excited is in verb form. What will be its noun form? I can understand your excitement. Yes? What will be the noun form here? Excitement. I can understand your excitement, but do not be so excited that you have health problem. Yes? Next. Raju, an auto driver, was very honest. His dash was known to everybody when he returned the bag of jewelry a passenger had left in his auto. Yes, here what is the fourth question? Raju, an auto driver, was very honest. Yes, honest is noun form. What you have to write there? What you have to write there? Noun form. His honesty was known to everybody when he returned the bag of jewelry a passenger had left in his auto. So children, you have to write few more, at least 30 verb forms you have to write, and their corresponding noun forms you have to write in your homework. Enjoyed, enjoyment. Surprise, surprisement. Disappointed. Yes, disappointed, disappointment. Disappointed, disappointment. Worried, 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 worried. Satisfied, satisfaction. Next, shocked, shock, relieved, relaxation. Excited, excitement. Honest, honesty. Yes, these are the verb forms and their corresponding noun forms. Okay, now let us discuss this third bit. Read the following sentences and notice the underlined part. Yes, Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course. Yes, what is the underlined word here? MA. It was separated by these full stops. Observe this carefully. What is the underlined word? Capital M, capital A. Here these two letters are also separated by these full stops. The underlined letters in capitals denote The full forms of this abbreviation is Master of Arts. Yes, children, these are in capital letters and these are separated by full stops. So what these letters are called? The underlined letters in capital denotes an abbreviation. It is called abbreviation. Means it has some full form. What is the full form? What is the abbreviation for these two letters? Masters of Arts, MA. Yes, Raman studied in the country to do the Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course. MA means Master of Arts. So here is a list of some common abbreviations. Write their full forms. Here few common abbreviations are there. You have to write here the full forms. BA, capital B and a full stop is there. Yes, at the end of this second letter also full stop is there. So these are whenever we are writing these abbreviations, always we have to write in full form and we have to separate by giving the full stops. So what is the full form of abbreviation of BA? BA means Bachelor of Arts. What is the full form of BA? Bachelor of Arts. AD. AD means anno Domini. Anno Domini or after death. But better to use anno Domini. BC. Before Christ. What is the abbreviation for BC? Before Christ. CM. CM means, you know it very well, Chief Minister. Chief Minister. CD. CD means compact disc. CD means compact disc. DVD. DVD means digital versatile device. Digital video disc. Also you can say, but digital versatile device. AM. Yes. AM means antemeridiem and PM means postmeridiem. Yes. These are the abbreviations. You have to write here the full forms of these abbreviations. Okay children, and try to write few more in your homework. CM, PM means Prime Minister. DEO, District Educational Officer. DM, District Manager. Yes. GM, General Manager. Yes, like this. Abbreviations write down and their full forms also write in your homework for this session 3 vocabulary. In this session 3, your homework is you have to write abbreviations and verbs and their corresponding noun forms also you have to write. Enjoyed, enjoyment, surprise, surprisement, disappointed, disappointment, worried, worry, satisfied, satisfaction, employed, employed, employment, interest. Yes, it will become interest. No. We have to think few more and write down. Okay, you have to complete this bit. You have to write here, complete this one, these abbreviations, and let us discuss this. Read the following sentences and notice the underlined word. Yes, he used to spend his hours after office in the lab. What is this underlined word? Lab. Lab is, and it was given full stop also here. So, the underlined word lab is the short form of laboratory. Yes, this underlined word lab. Lab is a short form of laboratory. So, like this in our common language, we use more short forms like plane. Is it plane? No, it is not plane. What is its full form? Aeroplane. Yes. What is but usually we use this word plane, plane, plane. But what is its full form? Yes, its full form is aeroplane. In short, what do we use this plane? Kilo. Kilo is in short form. What is the full form of this kilo? Kilogram. Para. Yes, para. Para means what is the full form for this? Paragraph. Specs. Spectacles. Photo. Photograph. Bike. Motorbike. Mic. Microphone. Yes, children. This is our third bit, second part, and now let us discuss this fourth bit. In the paragraph 4, you have learned that optics is the study of light. Optic means it's the study of light. Do you know the word for the study of living beings? It is biology. Yes, it is the study of living beings. It is called as biology. Yes, study of optics. Study of light means an optics. Yes, it is the field. Yes, study of light. And the study of living beings, it is biology. It comes from bio means life plus logos means logic means study or science. So the suffix logi adds the meaning the study of. Yes, guess the meanings of the word underlined under column A and match them with the phrases under column B. Here in column A few words are there. Yes, guess the meaning of the word under column A. Here and match them with the phrases. You have to match these phrases with this underline these words. Archaeology. Archaeology means study of what will be? The study of A will come, B will come. What should come here? Archaeology means the study of mind. No, the study of mind, it is not the correct answer. The study of animals? No. The study of earth? No. Archaeology means the study of cultures and the past. Study of cultures and the past. You have to match this word with column A with column B. Yes, column A, archaeology. What is the correct phrase for this word? The study of the cultures of the past. Psychology. Physiology. Physiology means the study of bodies of living things. Yes, psychology means the study of mind. Geology, study of earth. And zoology. Zoology means the study of what will be? You have to think and write. Zoology means study of animals. Archaeology, study of cultures of the past. Archaeology means the study of the cultures of the past. Physiology, the study of bodies of living things. Psychology, the study of mind. Geology, the study of what it will be? Psychology, study of mind. Geology, the study of earth. Geology, the study of earth. Zoology, the study of animals. Okay, children, these are the bits we have completed in vocabulary. practice this. Write down these all pages. Page number 27, 28 and 29. Total 4 bits are there. You have to complete in your textbook and write the homeworks. I will forward you the homework what to do. So maybe you understood this topic. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can message. Yes, children, and submit your notes in your school. Come to school and submit your notes for corrections. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next session. Writing bit. Have a nice day. Bye.